Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be checking out Toni Mitchell's What I Eat in a Day video as a vegan. So let's go ahead and check this one out.
Good morning, guys.
Good
Already got my day
afternoon.
started. I'll go ahead and give you guys a rundown on
She
what
looks
I've
so
already done since I
unexcited.
started my day already. This morning when I woke up, I had a glass of water with half of a squeezed lemon inside of it. I'll most likely use the other half of the lemon.
So water dehydrates you, pulls nutrients from your own cells because it floods them with the water, bloats them, and then when you pee all of the water out, the excess water, which is a lot of it, you only absorb about 10% of it. It also takes other nutrients and minerals with it, like vitamins and all that crap. Basically, everything in your cells. Some of it will be bound into the water and then basically flushed out. Um, Lemon juice can be useful sometimes, but if this is like a normal thing that she does every day, or she has lemon juice in her water all the time, lemon juice actually destroys your gut biome because it kills bacteria. So
Lemon later on throughout some point of this day. I don't like doing a whole lemon at one time. I don't know, like the way my body responds.
yeah, you can't do a whole lemon at a time because it's sour as fuck, and if you did that all the time, you'd probably completely destroy your gut, and you'd have like shits and acid reflux.
Then I waited a few minutes after that, and then I had my cup of coffee. In a
Donut,
small
stop
bowl,
believing.
I'm going to soak 10 pitted dates inside.
Oh, by the way, just a side note, getting your nails done is also very toxic. Your your body will absorb these toxic, like, obviously the nails, in order to make fake nails, obviously you're using chemicals and crap like that. So just a fun note.
Dates that I have are
By the
already
way,
pitted, but I'm just opening them up.
same thing with like getting tattoos and stuff.
So that they can soak a lot more easier. I'm going
Those
to
are
use a
dates?
cup of warm water. I'm going to pour a cup of warm water over the dates and place a lid on top.
Bunch of sugar and a
I'm
shit ton of
let that
fiber.
sit for about an hour or two. Really only need to let them sit for at least 30 minutes, but I have things to do, so I'm going to let them sit for a while. I'm going to drain the water out, and then they're going to be really nice and soft. It's easier for them to, it'll be easier for
Just
me
eat
to
it raw.
blend them in the blender, but I'm actually not blending them, I'm pulsing, and then stirring it with the blender attachment, and then it comes out like this soft looking texture. I'm going to be using the pureed dates,
like a jam.
I like to call it date jam, to flavor my oatmeal. In a small pot, I'm adding 2 cups of unsweetened vanilla coconut milk, and let that boil, and
You're
then
gonna cook
add
it?
in my dry oats.
Why are
I'm going to
you?
let the oats cook for a bit, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract, stir it in.
Because the oats taste like shit. You gotta add extract to it.
20 minutes. And then after it's done cooking, I'm going to let it sit for about 2 minutes to cool down. To top off my oatmeal, I'm going to be using a whole banana.
Dude. Literally seed sludge. How is that healthy for you? Versus animal products like meat. There's no way. How can you think that that's healthier for you?
The date jam that I made.
Sugar. Oh, more seeds on top of the oats, which are
just
seeds.
a little bit of coconut milk, and I sprinkled a bit of Ceylon cinnamon, and that completes my breakfast. So I did go to the gym, and after the gym, I had a protein shake.
Damn, she ate that whole
and I usually don't do snacks, but today I did. I'm gonna eat 2 rice cakes.
Yeah, because you were probably
and
hungry
to top
as
them off,
fuck.
I'm going to spread some all-natural peanut butter.
So she's using the
and
peanut
some
butter because she
organic fresh
craves
strawberries.
fats.
To add some more nutrients
But
to
there's
my
nothing
salad,
like
I'm
animal
going to top
fats.
it off with this
You can't.
super seed mixture by
Super seed.
Live Fit Super
Oh my god, and she has a super seed mixture, dude. So many seeds. They're so toxic.
Superfoods, and that completes my snack.
More sugar. Cool.
For lunch, I'm going to be making
And can
taco
someone tell me, where are the rice cakes in nature, dude? Where?
For a meaty texture, I'm going to add in my favorite meatless crumbles. And
Meatless
for protein,
crumbles.
I'm going to be using
Oh.
pinto beans. I'm going to add in some rice. The rice is going to make it more of a complete protein, along with the Seton
Wait,
crumbles. For my veggies,
the rice is gonna make it a more complete protein?
I have some tomatoes, some shredded lettuce, and an avocado. I could not decide if I wanted to use the sprouted corn tortillas.
Dude, this is so much carbs. Holy shit.
I bought at the grocery store, so I decided to do both just to try them both out. I think the sprouted corn tortillas had more nutrition in them, or they were more healthier.
They have more nutrition.
These are all the ingredients that I'm going to add into my tacos.
How do those tortillas have more nutrition? They're literally flour. Like, what? I don't understand. What the fuck?
The tacos, as you saw, on the skillet for a few minutes on each side.
And by the way, cancer feeds off sugar, so carbs, ton of sugar, all these plant products, like the fruits and stuff like that, bunch of sugar in them as well. They say that a vegan diet halts cancer, but it literally promotes it. Literally everything about what most of these people eat, it promotes.
Hair products from Function of Beauty. These products have been made with a unique formula created just for my hair. Since my hair is naturally dry, I created my formula to deep condition, hydrate, nourish, replenish, and strengthen my hair. I have customized my shampoo, conditioner,
This is another selling point.
By taking a 2-minute quiz on my website about my color, steering, and outsprated.
Advertisements. They do it all the time.
Okay, so for dinner, I'm going to be making me
sponsorships, by the way.
2 large handfuls of spring mix. For my protein, I'm going to add in some sauteed tofu.
Is that tofu? Oh my.
And I also sauteed a bit of mushrooms and some water.
Sauteed tofu.
My salad as well.
Yes.
I cut up some cucumbers and some fresh organic tomatoes to add into my salad too. And
So, okay, so she's got a lot of these foods have a lot of hydration in it, so I gotta give her that. The tomatoes, the cucumbers, the avocados, probably, I mean, to some degree. So she's definitely gonna stay hydrated. That's good. But everything else, like this stuff, is just, it doesn't do anything for your body.
I'm going to be using a Mediterranean salad dressing by Mother Raw. It's vegan as well. That's what it looks like up close. I'm going to
No, not the lemon.
Squeezed lemon.
Hey, at least she takes the seeds out. At least she doesn't eat those seeds. That's good. Oh my god, that's so much lemon juice. Dude, she's literally destroying her gut.
For those interested, don't forget to check out the description box for the Function of Beauty 20% off deal. I love you guys and see you next video.
So, okay, so most of this was basically just volume food. So if you saw, she actually ate a lot of food. If you were to compare like what I eat in a day video, like what I eat in a day compared to a lot of these vegans, the sheer volume of food that they eat is like, it's at least 2, probably 3 times the amount of food that I eat. And I'm not trying to say that I eat the best either, because I do still, like probably about half my food comes from supermarket and then half my food comes from small farms. So even me personally, I'm not fully on board with the whole, you know, like basically shopping at supermarkets. You're contributing to any kind of like factory farming or monocropping, like if you're a vegan and you shop at a supermarket. Either way, both of those are bad. But it's important to move that way, but also you don't have a lot of money, you know what I'm saying, dude, if you're poor and shit. But anyways, yeah, the point is the volume of food. Basically, I've even seen workout videos where they talk about their nutrition for working out. And a lot of them, when they're cutting, they will use like salads like this, for example. And it's basically just to put volume in your stomach. And essentially you're starving yourself is basically why you're getting cut. So, yeah. But a lot of these videos, tons of sugar, tons of seeds, and large amounts of volume, or big amounts of volume of food. I don't know how to say that. Gosh, I'm getting vegan brain, JK. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.